There are several reasons why your check engine light will turn on. First, if you have a bad mass airflow sensor. Second, if you have a bad ignition coil. And thirdly, if the plugs on the car are, let's say, overdue for change, it would turn on. You can see the check engine light is on. So I'm going to show you how to tell if you have a working mass airflow sensor, or possibly the airflow sensors of the car is bad, the airflow sensor of the car. So first of all, you saw that the check engine light is on. So I'm going to head over to the bonnet side to show you one step you should take to check if you have a good mass airflow sensor or a bad mass airflow sensor. So I'll wear it out. Then let me draw the bonnet. So you can see that the car is steaming, and this is the mass airflow sensor. So if the mass airflow sensor is working, once you remove the connector, it would go off. But if it's not working, if you remove the connector of the mass airflow sensor, it will still be on. So I'm going to remove the connector. Let's see. You can see that the car just went off. So this is to tell you that the mass airflow sensor is working. So if eventually that you remove the connector and the car is still on, that means you have a bad mass airflow sensor, and all you have to do is to go purchase another mass airflow sensor, and then here at the screw you change it, and after you've installed the new one, you just have to connect back, and then you start the car. So after you start the car, at the initial time, the check engine light would still be on after you've replaced the mass airflow sensor. So before you will drive 20 miles, automatically the check light would clear off. You will see the check light disappear, and everything will just be black like this. So that is how to tell if you have a bad mass airflow sensor. So I hope you find this video helpful. Do well to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification to this channel for more tips and other car maintenance. See you in the next video.